Thanks for calling Chuck's Repair, where we fix heating and air. Hold, please. Hey. No, I have 12 people on hold, but I can talk.
You don't have to put up with this anymore. Lee's Plumbing and Air has you covered. We have an easy scheduling process where you can see who your tech is, follow them with live GPS tracking, and we'll give you a short bio so they aren't a stranger to you when they arrive. Never deal with this again.
Hey, shh, I'm on the phone.
Click the link to see how much better Lee's Plumbing and Air is today.